Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my new video. Right now this video is very informative for you. So in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix iOS 17 lagging problem. So guys, before starting the video, it's humble request to you to watch my video completely until the end and don't skip my video. So without wasting any time, let's get started the video. So first of all, here I am going to be tell you the 4 or 5 methods which can solve your problem easily. So open your setting app here and here tap on your Wi-Fi and here turn off the Wi-Fi toggle options for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds you have to turn on it again, and after that you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So simply you have to open your cellular tap on your cellular options and turn off your cellular data for 5 seconds, and after that turn on it again and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So if your problem not be fixed from this method, and then I will tell you the second method. So for second method, scroll it down and here tap on the general options, and after that here you have to check your software updates and check that if your update is required. So you have to update your software and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So if your problem not be fixed on this method, then you have to simply scroll it down and here scroll it down and tap on the shutdown options, and here you have to shut down your iPhone. And after I shut down your iPhone, so you have to restart your iPhone, and after restart you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. By restart your iPhone, maybe your all problems have been fixed and your iOS lagging problem has been fixed by restart your device. So after that, if your problem not be fixed on this method, then I will tell you the other methods which can solve your problem easily. So open your setting app here, scroll it down and tap on your Safari, and after that scroll it down and here tap on clear history and website data, and again tap on clear history and website data and tap on the close tab options. And after that you have to go back to the home screen and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So if your problem not fixed on this method, I will tell you the other method which can solve your problem. So tap on the general options and here type on iPhone storage options, and here you have to clear some storage. So wait some second. Here you have to delete some useless app which you not use on your iPhone. So here scroll it down. For example, I want to delete here, scroll it down. So here ChatGPT. So I cannot use this app. So if you have any useless app, so you have to delete your useless app and clear your storage, iPhone storage. And after that check that your problem has been fixed or not. So if your problem not be fixed on this method, then again tap on your setting, tap on the general options, scroll it down, tap on reset iPhone options, and again tap on reset iPhone options. And after that, as you can see here, reset all setting options, so tap on it and here enter your passcode and here tap on reset all setting options, and after that check that your problem has been fixed or not. So if your problem not be fixed on this method, then I will tell you the last method which can solve your problem easily. So open your App Store and after that here wait some second and tap on your Apple ID on the right top corner and scroll it down, and here you can see update all apps options. So I have 14 apps which need to update app, so you have to update your all app where update is required. And after update the apps, then check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem has been fixed. So if your problem has been fixed, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So hope this helped. Thanks for your time today, and I will see you on the next one.